Merry Christmas, Paskong Masaya ng CBEM at CSSP. Alright, so, syempre naman guys, kahit hindi naman tayo relatively jam-packed dito sa ating amphitheater, let's do a little roll call. Ayan, so, huwag tayong papatalo dito guys So, let's start sa ating roll call, beginning with, ayan, asan ba ang people natin from Polsai? Ayan! Grabe yung mga Polsai natin.
Lakas ng energy,
Ano? Si ate, ready. Ayan, and syempre naman, nasan ba ang tao natin from Sociology? Ayan. Okay. And of course, next, we have, ayan ang ating mga mag-iisip. Where is Philosophy?
Sailing ka, Prami. Grabe ang energy na pinapakita, partner,
Ayan. And next, of course, ang ating mga servers, joke lang, ating mga joke lang. Hindi ko na alam, wala na ako, pero ayan guys, asan ba ating mga taga-social work? Ayan. May na-miss ba ako? Ano ba yung na-miss ko? May na-miss ba ako? Ano pa? Ano? Asan?
Psychology!
Ayan! Asan ang ating mga taga-psychology? And is it lahat na ba yun? May na-miss ba tayong isa? Ano? Ayan. Sabihin mo na natin, nasaan ba ang mga taga?
Studies!
Ay, grabe talaga. Yan pala ba rin, syempre, hindi naman papatalo ang mga from si Bem.
Pero ako, partner, may namimiss ako.
Ay! Sino? Live tayo. Tingin ka sa camera yun, no?
Joke time lang. Pero si Bebe, magpapatalo ba tayo?
Yes!
Kasi ako naman, tatawag na ako. Andyan ba ang BS Accountancy? Ang BS Economics. Ayun. Ang BS Entrepreneurship. Ay, meron din. Ang BS may major in financial management.
Financial management pala.
Ang haba naman kasi lang sa amin. Ito, full name ko ulit. BS in Human Resource and Management. Meron pa din.
Ang haba ng mga si Bem. Kami, dalawang words lang or isa.
Tama kasi, Ben.
Ano? Ano ba? Paulit? Full name and prof.
I can vouch. Charot. MPS Management.
Ayan,
May maluya?
Maluya, isa pa nga.
Ang PS Management. Grabe naman. MPS. Ito naman, mahaba na naman, partner. BSA Major. Ay, nasabi ko na pala yata. Eh, hindi. BSBA.
Isa muna. Dali.
BSBA Major in Marketing Management.
Ayan,
Ayun naman pala. Ito naman, medyo may clean lang to, partner. BSB Microfinance.
Yan.
Mga palag. Magpapatalo kaya last but not the least. BSB Major... BSB Major in Operations and Management.
Ayan.
Okay, that's all. Meron ba ako nakalimutan?
Meron ka nakalimutan. Ayan. Gusto namin marinig ang mga hiyawan ng staff, teaching and non-teaching personnel from CSSP. Ayan. And syempre, hindi lang CSSP ang nandito, ladies and gentlemen. Let us welcome ang ating teaching and non-teaching staff from CBEM! Ayan! So mukhang ready na ang lahat. Yan, everyone's excited to start the program. Pero syempre guys, like every good program, agree ba kayo? Yes! Sa mga like every good program, agree ba kayo? Yan, how about ditong side na to? Ayan, like every
Parang
good
dito
program.
yata, partner, papalit.
Ito, how about this side? Woo! Ayan, syempre guys, like every good program, we have, of course, our opening remarks. So, let us give our attention to the Associate Dean of CSSP. Ayan, let us welcome Dr. Imelda S. Asuncion Barce. Yan for her opening remarks. A resounding round of applause, please. Ayan.
Good evening to the Dean of the College of Business Education and Management, to the Department Chairs of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, same with CBEM, and our teachers, non-teaching staff, and students. A happy holiday and a Merry BU Christmas tonight, especially that this is the one that we are in charge to give our Christmas cheers. And let us capture moments, magical moments of this Christmas as we celebrate and have fun with the cheers that our students, teaching and non-teaching staff is going to give us tonight. Again, good night and a Merry BU Christmas.
Thank you so much, Dr. Imelda, for your heartfelt message. Kahit ako kinilig ako dun eh. Moving forward, this event is not just like an event, this one is special. Momentous event. So let us hear from Engineer Nervais, the President of the Non-Teaching and Staff of BU Daraga Campus. Let us give him a round of applause.
Maray banggi po sa Induga, boss. So, let's enjoy the night and celebrate our day. And today is a given day for BU, CSSP, and CBEM. So, Merry Christmas and enjoy. God bless.
Ayan, thank you so much, Engineer. And we are very grateful for your message. Pero grabe talaga, no? Engineer pa talaga siya. Siya yung naging staff ng CSSP. Hindi naman siguro job mismatch yan, Engineer. Hindi naman. Pero gustong-gusto niya. For sure, guys, I can vouch for that. Lagi ko siyang nakikita sa CSSP a lot. Anyways, guys, so now that we have heard the welcoming and enthusiastic words of our dear CSSP staff, we are definitely delighted to move forward. Again na ba kayo? Mag-move forward na ba tayo?
Wag na!
Wag na? Paano yung forward? Ayan, so paano yung forward natin? Joke lang. Ayan, so of course, we are now ready to move forward with our event. So kanina may nag-blocking nandito, kanina may mga nag-blocking na singers, mga dancers. So syempre guys, ang mangyayari is doxology. Joke lang. Wala tayong doxology. Pero yun guys, the students of Bicol University, although we are known talaga for being very academically competitive, sureball naman, meron naman tayong talents. Ayan. The students of Bicol University are not just full of wits, but also of talent that they have fostered together as a community. And it is with great pleasure that I introduce you to our next few performers from CSSP. Performers from CSSP. And of course, starting with the CSSP Flames of Phoenix Dancers. Ayan, let's give them a round of applause.
Sige lang, sama man nakapokus. Sige lang.
heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Snowing and blowing are bushes of fun.
Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time.
Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
In the frosty air.
Ayan, so thank you so much. Maligayang Pasko indeed. But before we proceed sa ating next performance, may tatanong lang ako sa inyo, ating Flames of Phoenix dancers. Bakit hindi sabay-sabay yung bow? Piling pa ulit. Bakit ba ate? Bakit? Sino may kasalanan?
Yung music na
Ay, yung music? Kuya, wala kayo. Ayan. So siguro, since we are also live sa Facebook, ayan, siguro, bigyan natin ng chance ng okay ka lang? Joke lang. Yung exposure yan. So, siguro, sino ba ang pwede mag-represent? So, ano pong masasabi mo para sa ating live FB viewers?
Hello po, good evening po.
Ayan, so sabi tingin ka sa camera.
Merry Christmas everyone.
Ay, grabe. Ayan. Next partner.
Okay, grabe yung mga pinakita nila, partner. Pero, hello? Ang balita ko, hindi lang daw hanggang puro sayaw lang ang CSSP. So, meron pa ako dito nababasa na ang pangalan ay CSSP Flames of Phoenix Choral.
Ayan. So, once again, let's give a round of applause for the Flames of Phoenix Choral.
Bagay ang dumarating, lahat ay lilimas din.
kahit kalungkutan, wala ka na kanila. Isa, umaga na pumamahal. Sa pag-ibig niyang talay, lahat ay makikita.
Salamat sa pag-ibig, nasubok ng panahon.
Ganito liwanag lang nasa ngayon. Tumas mo, mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig mo. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Sa pag-ibig mo, walang maiwanan. Iyong pagkukuhan, pangarap mo'y magkakaman. Sa pag-ibig niyang taglay, muling sisimulan. Salamat sa pag-ibig, nasubok ng panahon. Ganito liwanag lalo na sa ngayon. Tuwing Pasko, mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig mo. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig mo. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Isang pamilya, isang ating ama, isang pag-ibig na galing sa Kanya. Mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig ko. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig ko. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Pasko, mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig ko. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Pasko, mas ramdam mo, lamas sa ating tinig, ang init ng pag-ibig ko. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love. Na 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 na, thank you for the love.
Ayan, so thank you so much for the love. Ayan, Phoenix Coral. And syempre naman guys, dahil nagkaroon ng exposure ang ating dance troupe, dapat may exposure din ang ating coral. So sino ba ang representative nyo para magbigay ng message? Ayan. So, tingin ka sa camera. Ayan, tingin ka sa camera. Bigay ka ng message mo.
Hello po, Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat.
Para kanino yan?
Sa lahat.
Well, joke lang. Ayan guys. So, of course guys.
Wait lang. Naiingit kasi ako sa inyo. May coral kayo. Hingin ko lang muna ang thoughts ng ng manager namin na natutulog. Boss, may naiisip pa tayo idea kung kailan magkakakoral lang si Bem?
Next Christmas, meron na tayong koral.
Oh, next Christmas, meron ng koral. Ayan. So, sino ba ang magiging pioneering batch members ng ating CSSP Koral? Siya at...
Isimulan mo na.
Ayan, guys. So, syempre, guys, on the topic of singing, let us welcome for a vocal solo, Miss...
Carmela Pastrana.
Ayan.
Welcome. Ay, siya rin part.
Ah, siya rin pala.
Hello, check, mic test. Sa mga nakakalam po ng kanta, pwede po ko sumaway. Ang gabi tayo gising na patulog pa lang ang buwan. Simoy ng hangin, dahan-dahan na umahaplos sa mukha ng bawat taong umapagsak pa ang mata. Dahan-dahan kumisla ang mga ilaw ng tumatandang simbahan. Isang magkasama tayong nagdasal at nakinig, sabik sa digayong ipagting na nga namin ang oras suminto ng magkahawa. Ating mga kamay umawit, mga ulap at sabay nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, iganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, at pagkatapos magsimba, habang inahati kita sa iyong tahanan, parang walang katapusan ang ating kwentuhan tungkol sa mga buhay ng isa't isa. Ako'y nahalina nang mapadaan tayo dun sa may tindahan. Umawi, mga ulap kamay, nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, iganda na harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, pwede mo pakiwan ng mga flashlights? Kung pwede lang naman. Mga flashlights. Tapos din ng siyam na araw na simbang gabi, ang sabi ko sa sarili, baka ito nang huli. Pero mula nang unang ama namin na ang iyong kamay ay inakan, di mo na binitawan. Nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At ang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, na siya ng bibingka. Dahil ikaw na ang aking tana. Bilhan mo na siya ng bibingka. Kaya yung may mga crush dyan, ayayin nyo na silang magsimpang gabi, tapos bilan nyo siya ng bibingka. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Siyempre, narinig akong comment. Ano yung wala sa Bakakay?
Nalibing ka sa Bakaka.
Wala narinig ka sa Bakakay. So, paano ba siya makakapag-gaya, diba? Pero yan, guys, we do not condone dating sa simbahan. Kaya pag simba po tayo, para kay Lord.
Tama.
Huwag naman para sa ano. Diba, ate? Diba? Tingin ka nga sa camera, siya kaganyan ka. Ayan. Pero siguro, puro tayo interaction dito sa ating mga harap. Tanong ng staff, ayan. So, tanong tayo sa ating mga staff dito. Kay ma'am, madam, sino ba ang bibilhan mo ng bibingka ngayon?
Asawa ko po.
Yan! Kasi naman po ang asawa ni ma'am. Alam mo na kung anong ulam ni mamayang gabi. Bibingka lang. Oo. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Ikaw ba, partner? May nabigyan ng bibingka. Yun ang tanong.
Siyempre! Kainis, ako pa yung nabiktima pa ako, guys. Pero ayan, so speaking of singing, hindi na tayo kakanta. Oo. Tsaka pala, siyempre kasi meron ng sasayaw. Anong So paano yung Ayan, so to introduce ang ating next performers.
Ang dance, please welcome Faith Pamplona and Aaron Joshua Monreal.
Ayan!
We're back! Coming like 사건이 잔소리 blah 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 놀리고 비놀리고 what 손 넘지 마 trust me watch out 난 빠질러오지 Look all over you can load up 세상이 만들어둔 night 부딪히고 또 부딪혀 yeah. 삐딱하게 내밀어 윗범대로 갖다 버려 지게 만든 나의 new day 나의 무서워한 paradise 너의 현실보다 먼저 So call me PRDX and baby Like paradise like paradise No paradise, no paradise, no paradise. Like paradise, like paradise, like paradise. No paradise, no paradise, no paradise. We bump it up, got to burn your light. 늘 다치게 만든 나의 new day. 나의 무서워한 paradise, 너의 현실보다 먼저. So call me PRDX and baby. So come on, hey, 와서 구경해. 새로운 우린 네가 널리. Come on, hey, 뭐가 이상해. 물질서가 아닌 세상을 놀래.
Thank you. Interviewin ko lang muna sila, partner. lang, may
Pero,
problema
pero
pa yata
bago yun,
yung...
siguro, ano muna, guys, remind lang po namin kayo na bawal po mag-litter dito. Ayan guys, so for the first offense po, 500 pesos. Wala kang magagawa so kasi recorded ka, 2 camera yan. Kasi ilang
Walang
witness.
takas.
Next one. Ayan po, pero ayan. Sige na, partner.
Okay, tanungin ko lang muna sila, partner. Curious lang ako, ano yung relasyon yung dalawa?
Ay! Ay!
Kasi, pansin ko may chemistry eh.
Oo.
Di ba kailangan sasayaw yun eh? Sumasayaw ako eh.
Kaya nga. Sino kasayaw mo?
Joke lang. Kuya, anong relasyon nyo?
Wala.
Ang ganda ng background music.
Ano?
Yung background music.
Ano sabi mo, kuya? Ay, wala.
Si Ate na lang tanongin natin.
Alam niyo sa G-Forbes, yung male, female, tapos yung mga ibang genders, tapos I prefer not to say. Yata yung kay kuya.
Ikaw, Aden, anong relasyon nyo?
Wala naman, we're just newly found friends.
Newly found friends.
Okay, nasagot na yung tanong ko. Yun ako
Yeah, newly
curious.
found friends lang naman. Ano ba kayo guys? Nalagyan nyo ng label. Siya lang naman eh. Siya yung nagtanong din naman ako eh. Ayan guys, pero syempre guys, tapos na tayo sa ating dance duo. So we have, last but not the least, the performer as well from CSSP. Let us give a round of applause for Miss Charlotte L. Manrial for a song number.
Wala ata partner, ikaw na lang daw.
Ay, ayun na si Ate.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm sorry, I'm late. Something tell me if really down. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Something tell me if he really cares. Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around. And I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let it snow is blasting now, but I won't get into more. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true love. Yeah, he thinks of so next Christmas I'm not all alone. Boy, Santa, tell me if he really can. Don't make me fall in love and if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but on New Year's Day I woke up and he wasn't by my side. Now I need someone to hold, be my fire in a cold, or tell me if it's just a fling or if it's true love. Yeah, he thinks of so next Christmas I'm not all alone. Boy, Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. Cause I can give it all the way if he won't be here next year. But I want him beside me like oh, on the turn before the fireplace. Oh, sabay-sabay tayo. And I don't wanna know broken heart. This year I've got to be smart. If you won't be here, Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Tell me, oh again, if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really dare. Don't make me fall in love again. He won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away.
Ate Charlotte.
Thank you, ate.
So, grabe mga pinapakitang performance
Kaya
ng mga
nga eh.
CSSP.
Tayo na rin ba?
So, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Press 1 if on.
Press 1 guys kung nag-enjoy kayo. Are we audible?
Ay, nasa Facebook live pala
Paulan,
tayo mga
paulan.
pala. Okay, tatanungin ko lang muna yung mga taga si Bim.
Yan.
Na performers. Ate, ready na po ba kayo? Pinaghandaan nyo ba tong gabi na to? Okay, pinaghandaan. So, hindi lang kayo naghanda ngayong gabi, kayong mga CSSP partner, ha? Kami, syempre. So, and now, let's ride this wave of joy towards another part of this event. And with this, let us turn our attention to the Vice President of the BUCSSP, CSC Jo Marie G. Bas, and the President of BUCBM CSSC, BUCBM CSC, Mr. Jimmy Celeste, for their warm Christmas greetings for all of us.
Ayan, isang mapagpalang gawin po sa ating lahat. So, bago po ako mag-start, allow me to just alter some thoughts. I will be giving the greetings or Christmas greetings of the President of BUCSSP College Student Council. So, muli po, allow me to have the honor to share with you the Christmas greetings of Ms. Alexandra Gonzaga, President of BUCSSP College Student Council. Okay lang po? Yes naman. Dahil may mga bibilin tayo bibingka sa ano. Joke lang. To the faculty, non-teaching staffs, and students of BUCBM and BUCSSP, I greet you all a good evening and a Merry BU Christmas. My apologies for not being able to attend with you all as I am currently not feeling well and I don't want to risk spreading it more. Nonetheless, I want to send these Christmas greetings to everyone here in this event. Christmas, being one of the most celebrated events in the Philippines, is no doubt that we really are in fullest excitement and thrill whenever it's the season for it. But it's more than just Christmas lights or wearing the Christmas hats. What do you think the Christmas is really all about? There's two words I have in mind: hope and love. When Jesus was born, He became our symbol of hope, and that hope is rooted from love. When God gave us His only Son, He wanted us to embody these two things. Now, in the present times, with all the mess and idiosyncrasies going on around us, one of my biggest Christmas wish is for us to never lose these two things. Amidst crisis, may we never lose hope. Amid conflicts, may we always be reminded that love makes the world go round. Before I end this message, I would like to, of course, express my gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. To Dean Alex, Ma'am Tani, and Ma'am Mel, other CSSP faculty and CSC officers, and of course to the faculty of CBEM headed by Dean Edgar and CBEM CSC headed by Pres Jimmy, to our great performers from both Flames of Phoenix and CBEM Maneuvers, and of course to our hosts, Ojel and Clarence. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much everyone, and may we have the merriest Christmas.
So ayan, hello, good evening everyone. So ayan, actually tuwa ako na kasama ka namin ngayon yung CSSP and magkasamang CSSP and si Bem. Kasi naalala ko nung first year ako, naka-receive ako ng bibingka from CSSP. Oo.
Sino?
Kaya, medyo may trauma sa taga-CSSP. So anyway, let me deliver my short message to our college dean, Professor Edgar Bermeda, to the CSSP dean, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, to the associate deans, professors, non-teaching staff, student council, and students of BUCBM and CSSP, good evening. For almost 2 years, we had celebrated the Christmas occasion on a virtual setup. But now, we are all gathered here as one to celebrate and feel the spirit and joy of Christmas. This Paskong Masaya celebration reminds us that after a storm, there is always a rainbow, and a hope that all will be alright in time. So may this celebration reminds us to always cherish small moments with our loved ones and to always value the gift of life. May we all continue to prosper and build a harmonious connection to each and everyone. Together, let us all celebrate and fill our hearts with kindness and warmth of love. To everyone, I wish you a joyous Christmas. Thank you.
Diba? Bongga. Thank you so much, Mr. Bass and Mr. Celeste. For for your Christmas greetings, kasing warm lang siya ng hot chocolate with marshmallows on cold Christmas evening, di ba partner?
Kaya nga, pero sino ba yun? Name reveal naman po. Eh, grabe. Kami na po bahala. Yung tribunal ng CSS yung magka-punish.
True, nakikilis nga kami.
Totoo ba? May tribunal tayo, di ba? Oo.
Oo, di ba? Ay, okay. Anyways, hindi lang ganyan ang ating mga performances because we still have more talent to show to everyone. Ready na ba kayo? Ang
Mukhang hindi
hihina.
sila ready.
Si Bim na to eh.
Ah!
Okay,
Oh, one more time pa daw.
isa pa. Pag si Bim mahihina, nakakatampo na.
Sinong susuyo?
Gusto ko malakas pag si Bim. Competitive ako eh. Okay, one more. Si Bim na. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Pwede na po tayong umuwi. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Joke lang. Okay. Alright. Ready na, I guess. And with that, let us give a resounding applause to our next few performers. Starting with si BEM Singers, Mr. Edward Batalier.
Ayan, so let's give Mr. Edward Batalier a round of applause.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat and ay, kahit pala hindi na ako dumaan sa stairs. Ayan, and good evening po and Merry Christmas po sa lahat. So, konti lang kaming performance ng Sibel, so sana magustuhan niyo yung mga aawitin ko for this night. O, kung hindi naman, wala kayong choice. Ayan. Sige po kuya, go! It's the most beautiful time of year. Lights on the streets and so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'm be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss it on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the snow, but I'm be under the mistletoe. With you, shadow you, with you, shadow you, with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be cheering with my folks I know, but I'm be under the mistletoe. Words on the streets and it's coming tonight. Reindeers fly through the sky so high. I should be cheering with my folks I know. I'll be under the mistletoe with you, shadow you, with you, shadow you, with you, under the mistletoe. With you, shadow you, with you, shadow you, with you, under the mistletoe. Ain't love, the watchman followed the star to where I followed my heart. And it led me to a miracle. Ain't love, don't you bother nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips. There's a merry, merry Christmas. Under the mistletoe. But I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shadow you, with you, shadow you, with you, under the mistletoe, with you, shadow you, with you, shadow you, with you, under the mistletoe. Kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Show me, baby, that you love me so. Whoa, yeah. Kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Show me, baby, that you love me so. Whoa, ayan, next song po natin, magkikipag-ano tayo, Christmas Carol. Sige kuya, go play!
Grabe ang si Bim, no? Sa iyo eh.
Let's go! Asabay kayo, dali! May ampaw ba kayo dyan? Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swinging. one horse land. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mixing, mingling, jingle beat. Blast the jingle bell rock. Sayang hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Kung alam ko lang sumayaw, sumayaw na ako dyan. Hello po, binabati ko po yung mga kapamilya ko dyan. Let's go! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Snowing and blowing up buzzes of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air. What a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, this is swell time to go gliding in a one-horse line. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mixing, mingling, jingle and feet. Blast the jingle bell, blast the jingle bell, blast the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Yeah, thank you so much. Nag-video pa yung host. Ako na yung mag-host.
Grabe.
Thank you!
Grabe talaga.
Grabe naman si Pia.
Sobrang kahit video pa yung host. At dahil
Thank you so much.
Yan, hawakan mo muna ang mic. So, interview ka muna namin.
Sige ba?
So, sino ba yung kasama mo mag-kiss under the mistletoe?
Wala pa. Sino gusto dyan?
Ay!
May mistletoe ba sa BU?
Ayan guys, nananawagan po kami. Siya po ay si Edward Batalier from BS Accountancy CDEM. So kung meron pong gustong kasama si Kuya Edward at nakakit sa kanyang boses, tawagin nyo na lang siya sa number.
Basta may pera.
Di ba sa night dyan guys, may number dyan sa baba. Joke lang. Ayan.
Ay, thank you, Kuya Edward. Ay, meron pa kaming isang pambato dito, Kuya Audien. Please welcome, Mr. Kim. Kuya Kim, sana tatawagin. Kuya Kim Pomada.
Ayan, so round of applause for Kuya Kim.
Hello po. So, madami pala tayo ngayon dito. So, okay. If you want, go! Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas party up. Mistletoe hung where you can see every color dressed up. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Mistletoe hung where you can see. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the horse and light up our way. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily and you won't pass away. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas. That's the pumpkin pie and with yourself. Oh yeah, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. The horse and light up highway, rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Everyone merrily
di naman talaga ako performer. So, may isa pa po akong kanta. Then, hope you like it po. Okay po.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. But in the time shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Oh, it's been years and it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas. I wrap it up and send it with a note saying I love you. I'm bending now. I wanna pull out then, but if you kiss me now, I know you pull me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, save me from tears. I give it to someone special. Though last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, save me from tears. I give it to someone special. Crowded room with a bright light. I'm hiding from you and the solo eyes. I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I lost a stroller to cry on. Facing a lover with the fire in his heart. A girl on a rubber, would you burn me apart? Oh yeah. Now I finally love, you'll never pull me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. This, but the very next day, gave it away. This year, save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Oh. Woo!
Christmas! Wala pa, ito pa!
Someone, I give it to someone. It's Christmas. My heart. Very next day, I give it away. This year, save me from tears. I give it to someone special. Oh yeah.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Kim Pamada. Ayan, so siguro bago ka umalis sa stage, tingin ka muna sa camera at sino ba ang gusto mong kumustahin?
Kinakamusta ko po yung kaklase ko.
Sino na kasi mo?
Sabi nila, pupunta sila, pero okay lang yan.
Okay na. Hi!
Hello na lang kayo dyan.
Sabi ni Ninja guys, isa na wala kanyang bibingka sa Pasko. Yun yung minimum.
Bigan ka ba?
Thank you so much, Mr. Kim. Ayan. So kung siya ba ang friend niyo, pupunta ba kayo? Ay, ano? Kung siya ba ang friend mo, pupunta ka ba? Kung siya ba ang friend mo, kaya, friend, naka-perform daw ako, siya nga panwari, pupunta ka ba?
Siyempre.
Angas naman. Siyempre. Next.
Guys, kung ako yung friend mo, hindi kita gaganyanin. Okay! Pero, okay, tapos na tayo sa mga kumakanta ng si Bem. Next naman tayo sa mga dancers. Okay, now please welcome Jabberwockies! Joke lang. Okay, please welcome si Bem Maneuvers!
Good evening. Pwede ba magharana?
Makatok, makatok, makatok. Alasok. Blow your saladas. Blow your saladas. Makatok, makatok, alasok, alasok, alasok. Makatok, makatok, makatok. Alasok, alasok, alasok. Vandaag ben ik on, dus mag het licht uit. Run it in the pussy like a crash, run it in the lower, touch your toe, shut it ass up, shake, bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back, go, hit a split on the beat, shot it at, bring it back, 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 bring it back. Concrete, she can shake your head. One cheek, two cheeks, both cheeks. I got a white girl, got no cheese. I got a police bitch on a short leash. Got a good mouth, now she got no teeth. She a dog, she a bitch with it. Man, the city when she works, she sees thick with it. Go home, throw salt, tell the bitch get it. Start playing with the pussy, tell the bitch split it. I just wanna fuck on you, you with it, you keep the shot, fuck you.
Need no broke boy tryna holla, baby, shut it up. Please shut me down a bit. One for the paper, two for the money. Brand new bags, no shoes, yeah, I want it. All my girls like getting money. All my girls like girls getting money. One for the paper, two for the money. Hands big, hand big, yep, I want it. One for the paper, two for the money. All my girls like girls getting money.
Ayan, so thank you so much si Bem Maneuvers. And actually guys, dalawa talaga ang sasayuin nila. But in the meantime, habang sila yung nagpapahinga, ayan, katawagan lang kami sponsor, Gatorade.
Marami kami niyan.
Kaya nga, pero syempre guys, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating next performers na sila lang naman, let's have a little game.
Gusto ba nila? Gusto niyo ba yun? Okay.
Gusto nyo ba talaga? Tingin sa camera. Ay, grabe.
Ayun po!
Ayun ba?
Okay. Total marami naman gusto sumali. Meron tayong palaro dito. Sinaunang palaro ng mga Christmas party.
Ah.
Pero with a twist to
Happy birthday to
Mamaya
you.
na yung twist. Mamaya na yung twist. Okay, happy puri lang naman.
Happy birthday na lang naman. With a twist.
Kailangan siguro natin ng lima. Lima
Pagteka sa i-intro natin. So, ang lalaroin natin ay Hep Hep Hooray!
Okay.
So, mga
Lima muna. Lima muna. Sino kayo?
Oh, yung mga sumigaw dito, walang aayaw ha. Sige, isa. Isa. Isa ba? Isa ba? Punta. Ayan. Ayan, so meron tayong isa dito. Ay, nag-negotiate pa sa staff, oh. Ayan, so habang nag-negotiate, so meron tayong isa. Dito ka na muna. So, ano po ba ang pangalan mo? My name is Yancy Samantha Yancy Smith, but you can call me Ayan. So next, siguro dito naman. Gusto mo ba ate? Ikaw na lang ate. Ito, gawin ko kanina, 9 pa steps, gumaganyan-ganyan pa pag kumakanta. So ikaw na lang. Huwag ka na maya. Cheer nyo naman siya. At tara lahat, okay lang yan. Ano? Alam mo pala, isang kakapal eh. Joke. Sige na ate, punta ka na. Ayan. So,
Meron pa ako isa dito, malaki.
meron pa tayong isa. At siguro isa naman sa technical, si Kuya Cameraman. Ayan, so yun na
Isa
ba?
na lang, isa na
Isa,
lang.
dalawa, tatlo, apat.
Ito si wait lang, meron.
Oh, isa pa ba? Isa pa ba? Wala tayo si Ben. Kailangan na si Ben. Pero okay na yan. Ayan.
Okay, kompleto na yata tayo pa. Okay na yan, or magdagdag pa
Okay
tayo?
na ata tayo dito.
Okay na to, partner. Okay, sasabihin ko lang ang mechanics ng Hepe Hooray. Total, sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong twist. Ang Hepe Hooray po na ito ay... isa pa! Gusto ng audience
Gusto
natin,
nang isa pa. Gusto pa lang. Siguro isang taga si
Sino
Ben
ba?
naman. Isang
Si Ben pa kaya?
Siguro kasi yung kalahati kasi ng taga si Ben.
Ay!
Yung si Ben maneuvers na.
Oo.
Ayan, siguro kila kuya. Ayan, sila kuya. Kunin mo na
Si
yan.
Ulo!
Ayan. Next.
Sino
personal.
kaya maswerteng Ate Bird?
Ayan. Personal daw. Personal
Ate
daw
Bird.
sabi ni sir. Ayan.
Maaari ka bang pumunta sa harap, Ate Bird?
Ayan. So siguro.
Siguro ba ang Vice President ng CSC ng si Bem?
Ayan. Okay. Pero siguro before that, onting pakilala muna tayo siguro. Ayan. So, ate, sino ba ang paborito mong K-pop group? Joke ka lang. Ayan, so name, ating name, age, tas paboritong flavor ng tinapay. Bakit tumatawa seryoso ako dito? Binibiro nyo lang kami dito. Na-joke out.
My name is Anirudh Campos, 22 years old. Favorite pop flavor, pineapple.
Uy, pineapple na tinapay? Oo. Paano? O ikaw, ano talaga, ikaw? Name, age, at paboritong pagkain na ino-order sa McDo. Hindi ka naga McDo, at Jollibee gang ka. Ay, KFC!
Taray!
Diba? O, name, age, tsaka KFC.
Alright, so once again, my name is Ian. I am 20 years old. And then... nakalimutan ko yung name nun. Basta masarap siya.
Ayan, so next po. Name, age, at ano ba ang una mong pinapapak sa Christmas?
Hi, I'm Ashley, 19. Unang pinapapak ko pag Christmas, candy.
Candy. Ayan, next naman. Ate, ano po ba ang name nyo and age nyo? At kung papaluin ka ng magulang mo, ano yung pamalo? Joke, ano? Masyado namang masama. Ayan, hanger. Experience mo yan. Ayan, joke lang. So, siguro simpihan na natin. Ano ba ang favorite mong color? So, name, age, favorite color.
Hello, I'm Elena from CSSP-CSC. Ayan, si Ma'am Tani talaga may pakana. Kaya magpapamilk tea siya. I'm 21 years old and my favorite color is black.
Ayan. So, next naman kay ate. At dahil finalist tayo, guys. So, name, age, and baka naman makauno ka. So, sino ba ang paborito mong prof? Oh, yung tinuturuan ka na ngayon para guaranteed na yung uno mo. Oo. Next.
Hello po, good evening. I am Maria Bernadette Mañaras from Sibam CSC and ang favorite prof ko ay siya. Dahil siya ang andito, andyan si Ma'am Jasmine Salazar.
Uno na po yan, recorded na po to. So kung di po uno ang grade niya, may problema po tayo dito. And of course, next ang ating teaching staff. At dahil napag-usapan pati paborito mong prof, sino ba ang paborito mong estudyante? Tama yun, guys. Ayan. So siguro, ano po ba sir, ang name mo, age mo, and ano ang tinuturo mong subject?
Sige, Paskong masaya sa ating lahat. Angel from Social Work Department. So currently, tinuturo kong subject is Human Rights and Social Work. And then, Field Instruction. So yun yung tinuturo ko ngayon.
Ayan. So start na tayo sa ating
Okay,
game.
yung mechanics natin. Sabi ko nga kanina, may twist to. So, lulupitan natin. Ang hep-hep hooray po natin ngayon ay pag sinabing hep-hep, kakaldag! Kapag sinabing hooray, tutwerk! Okay na, nila ba ang lahat?
Siguro ano muna? Practice muna, practice. Muna ka. Ayan. So siguro, trial round muna tayo at trial round. And syempre guys, ang mananalo dito ay mananalo ng washing machine with no therapeutic claim. exception. Ayan, so, start naman tayo sa ating game.
Practice mo na.
Bawal, pinili mo to.
So, Mari, palitan mo ako dito.
Ayan. So, siguro, start na tayo sa ating round 1.
Okay, round 2 na agad tayo. Wala nang practice. Pakita mo na ng mga kaldag niyo dyan. Hep, hep.
Ayan.
Ulitin ko lang po ulit. Pag sinabing hep, kakaldag.
Ito na, alam nyo ata. Hep, hep. Isa pa. Hep, hep. Ganun lang.
Ito medyo mag-stretching lang ako dito. Mabilis-bilis to eh. Ito pambato na si Beb, si Ate Bern. Ito manok ko.
Wala kayong kapangyarihan dito. Na kanino ang mic?
Ang gusto
Sa akin,
din
di ba?
namin yung host. Ayan, yung host din syempre.
Bounce na.
Huwag na nanonood si Mama. Ayan.
Start na natin ito. Baka mapakaldag pa tayo dito.
Ayan. So,
Okay.
start na tayo siguro. Ayan, so ikaw na mag-ano.
Okay, wait lang. Mag-stretching lang. Okay, ready na tayo? Wala na ba tayo mga makakasakit dyan? Baka mayroon tayo mga kutsilyo dyan. Okay, ready? Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Wait lang, ano?
Ayan, so out na ba siya?
Out na si Ate.
Sige, out na yan. So, maraming
natin,
salamat. Ate, congratulations, out ka na. Wala nang kahihiyan.
Pero meron siyang consolation prize ng 1,000 pesos.
Monopoly.
Yes!
Galing sa
Okay,
Monopoly.
meron tayo 5. Okay. Okay, start na agad tayo. Ready na bang lahat? Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Bounce ka na!
Ayan. Bounce na daw siya.
Apat pa! Sabi sa'yo,
Grabe.
ito manok ko eh. Iniiwasan.
Huwag ka patalo si SSP. Patatama dito.
Okay. Okay, start na ulit tayo. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hep, hep! Ay, ba!
Ay, wala na to.
Ay, tatlo na lang tayo. Ano yung price dito, ah? Nakalimutan ko eh. Okay, ready? Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Hep, hep! Nawala na ako.
And guys, so, kayo po kayong dalawa. And the next Miss Universe is... Ayan.
Okay, ngayon, para mas mapabilis tayo, bibilisan natin. Tapos dapat, maayos ang kaldag, maayos ang tempon. Okay?
Ayan. Pero grabe talaga. Pero siguro bago tayo mag-start, sige, di ba? Ayan ang faculty. So, asan ba ang mga supporters ni Sir? Ayan! Grabe talaga. Iyaw na yun. Sayang-sayang si Madam Tani. Tingnan nyo. Cameraman po. Yung ano po, yung osak ko. Yung sisak po. Grabe na po. Na-joke. Ayan, saan ba ang mga taga-CSSP? Ayan.
Grabe ang mga energy. Okay, hindi tapusin na natin ito. Anong mga kaalaman na? Okay. Ready na ba?
Ready na.
Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! Hep, hep! Ay!
At nanalo ating faculty! Ayan! So para po sa inyong prize, please refer kay Mantani. Si ligtas. Ayan guys, so isang round of applause para kay Sir! Ayan!
Ang galing kumalda.
Grabe talaga. Pero talaga, si Sir talaga ang panalo kasi yung hooray and effect niya, may accent. Hooray! Yun, di ba? Ayan. So, at dahil dyan, guys, let's move on. Once again, sa ating performers. Ready na ba kayo? Or mag-hooray din kayo? Ayan.
Okay, mga nakahinga na yata sila, partner.
Ayan.
Kakaldag na ulit sila.
Ayan, so thank you so much sa ating mga participants kanina. And once again, let us to welcome our performers, si Bem Mayubers!
Play getting dilated, running that whole whip. 2 fingers up, 1 down with my toes 10. Flued out my groove, I put a cork in it. Love it when you be crying out when I'm corseted. I don't think he gon' make it. Do not let me start raging. Losing my patience. This ain't staying in Vegas. Side to the story, I'ma tell everybody. Had your ass in courtside with your arm around me. Had your ass in first class with your burnt ass out in Abu Dhabi. Could've been what we should've been, but you lost the bet, now you got it from me. Fantasy, I ain't playing this hide and seek. High school, we finally peaked. I'm dog, come find a treat. I'm a bad bitch, but dog, player, I get it. Fraud, player, I get it. Understand. You with me, you with me. I get it, I know you got some other you want it, I get it. You needed someone that could prove you wrong, so I reckon you leave all of your problems at the door to my city. You gon' need to tell my brothers where you from, and I admit it. I still got empathy, and you gon' feel it for 2 weeks. And I believe you in them streets, and keep my meaning discreet, keep the clean in my Jeep and put that in your teeth. Let my deeds off they dishes if you even think to speak. I'ma give it all the meaning when you said you live in a dream. We could keep it sleeping, you gon' have it all your keys. Counting GGTV, talking about Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-Z-R-I-P. Dog, player, I get it. Fraud, player, I get it. Understand. You with me, you with me.
Ayun! Gagaling talaga. Sabi sa'yo, partner, hindi lang kayo naghanda ngayong gabi. So, thank you sa thank you sa maneuvers, partner.
And so, grabe talaga guys, these performers just put masaya in Paskong Masaya. And alam nyo ba ba kung ano ang nagpapasaya sa Paskong to? Sino? Siyempre, kayo. Ayan. And of course guys, thank you so much to our performers. For sure, hindi lang kayo naging padaanan dito, but you also became one of the highlights ng event na ito. So, as we proceed with our event, guys, let us welcome the president of the BUCBEM Faculty Club, Miss Geneva Nario Llagas, and the president of the BUCSSP Faculty Club, Mr. Ray Hinlo. Ayan. So, for a special message, let us welcome them, everyone.
College Dean of Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, Professor Edgar S. Barrameda, the College Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, Associate Deans, Department Chairs, Faculty, non-teaching personnel, students present here. A pleasant evening. So in behalf of the faculty members in Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, Merry Bio Christmas to each and every one. So may the ringing bells of Christmas fill your hearts with music of happiness, laughter, love, and prosperity. May thank you, and may we all have a meaningful celebration. So let us all enjoy the rest of the night.
Hello po, magandang gabi sa lahat, no? Sa mga administrators, faculty, students. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Tsaka sana po in this season of cheers and plenty, no? Huwag naman kung sana natin kalimutan yung mga less fortunate. So siguro po maganda po yung mag-reach out din po tayo sa kanila. So maligayang Pasko po ulit sa lahat. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much, Ms. Liagas and Mr. Hillo. Messages, just like everyone else here, we are so grateful to have you present in this event. Pero partner, di pa tapos sa activity natin, alam mo ba?
Oh, baka ako sila lang magpa-perform.
Akala mo lang yan. And usually, masaklap ang mga akala natin sa buhay, pero not this one. If students have talents of their own, paano pa kaya ang ating teaching and non-teaching staff? So let's give it up for the BUCSSP and BCBEM teaching and non-teaching staff.
Merry Christmas!
And so mag-perform muli sila guys. So siguro isa pang iyawan, So, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the BUCBEM and BUCSSP teaching and non-teaching staff.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Grabe talaga. Ayan. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Kayo? Mag-isa lang si ate.
Partner, wait lang. Tatanungin ko lang.
Ayan.
Nag-enjoy po ba sila dito?
Okay lang.
Nag-enjoy.
Ayan,
Nag-enjoy
daw.
Parang enjoy
Saya. So siguro, may isa muna tayong tanong bago tayo mag-conclude. Ayan. So, ate, ano ba ang paborito mong part sa event natin this evening?
Yung mga intermission po.
Yung mga intermission. Ayan. Sino nag-intermission? Ayan, siguro tanong natin ang ating faculty. Ayan.
Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Hindi ko masabi.
Bakit?
Grabe po yung pinakita niyo yung energy kanina eh.
Nag-enjoy kami sa presentations ng mga bata at in-enjoy ko rin yung presentation namin.
So, grabe talaga ang pa-zumba ng staff. Oo. Ayan, anyways. Grabe, no? Pero nag-enjoy talaga tayo dyan, guys. And sa reaction pa lang ng ating audience, masayang-masaya na kayong lahat. And of course, it goes without saying na pag nag-closing remarks talaga tayo, meron tayong i-invite sa ating stage. And of course, to deliver our closing remarks, may we invite to the front, the Dean of BUCBEM, Mr. Edgar Barameda. Ayan. So we will give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Nag-enjoy ba tayong lahat? Very good. Essence of Christmas. To the Dean of the College of Social Science and Philosophy, Dr. or Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, and to the Associate Dean, Dr. Imelda Asuncion Barce, and to the faculty, teaching and non-teaching personnel of CSSP, and to the students, of course, and to our Associate Dean in the BUCBEM, Ma'am Shi Disuyu, and the faculty members, teaching and non-teaching personnel, and of course, yung mga estudyante natin sa lahat. Merry Christmas! Ayun. Merry ba yung Christmas natin ngayon? Oo naman, yung merry. So, we enjoyed really your performances kanina, yung mga songs, yung mga dances, yung mga games, and so on, everything. We really enjoyed yung nakita natin kanina. And that means talagang yung espiritu ng Pasko ay palapit ng palapit. Totoo ba? Okay, so hindi natin sabihin na this is good night, this is goodbye, but this is just the beginning ng ating celebration, ng ating Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and to the administration headed by our President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas! Good night!
Merry Christmas.
Alright, that's about it, partner. I'm so glad na nag-enjoy tayong lahat sa activity.
Ayan, I'm with you on that. And now, this opportunity to thank everyone for joining us in our event. So thank you so much for the organizers, the staff, both teaching and non-teaching, our performers, and of course, to our dear audience.
Thank you, everyone. This has been fun, partner. Nice meeting you.
And nice meeting you too.
We're your hosts,
Ojel
and Clarence.
And we thank you for joining us in a Merry Pio Christmas, Paskong Masaya ng CSSP at CBEM. Ayan, thank you everyone.
Wait.